Date, for that put the date. Experiment number 1. Experiment, preliminary test for Pb2+. Theory, we can found lead in lead pencils and lead acid batteries. Lead is found in many salts like lead nitrate and lead acetate. As lead-2 ion. In group 1 lead, 2 ions are precipitated as their chlorides by adding dilute hydrochloric acid to their solution. This experiment is test for the presence of group 1 lead ion in a given salt. Dry heating test. Materials required: original salt, test tube holder, Bunsen burner. Procedure: take a small quantity of salt in a teat tube. Heat it over the Bunsen burner. Results: brown precipitate when hot, yellow precipitate when cold. Discussion: the salt becomes brown when hot, yellow when cold, indicating the presence of lead ion. Flame test. Materials required: original salt, concentrated hydrochloric acid, dropper, glass rod, platinum wire loop, Bunsen burner. Procedure: take a small quantity of the salt in a watch glass. Add few drops of concentrated hydrochloric acid using a dropper, mix the contents of the watch glass. Use a glass to make paste. Take a small amount of paste on the platinum wire loop and introduce it into the oxidizing flame of the Bunsen burner. Result: dull bluish-white flame. Discussion: dull bluish-white flame indicates the presence of lead-2 ion. Precautions: handle hydrochloric acid with proper care because it is highly hazardous. Heating should be done very carefully.